Oh no, this way. Hey there, I'm Shane, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Sirui remote control tripod T3R. And essentially this is a kind of grip/tripod device that has a little handy remote control built into it to control the basic settings on your camera, like starting and stopping video, taking a photo, one custom button of your choice, which is tethered to the custom mode on your camera, as well as controlling zooming in and out if your camera lens supports zooming. If you've seen previous videos that I've made, I'm sure you know I'm not much of a vlogger, and it's not necessarily a forte of mine either. However, I will attempt to do so yet again today, and just demonstrating the perks of using a kind of tripod like this. The biggest pro that I find with it is that, especially when you're carrying a heavier camera setup like what I have right now, like the Sony a7S III, and I have the 12 to 24 millimeter GM lens on it. It's not like this is a very lightweight setup. However, having the grip on the bottom of the camera makes it remarkably easier to carry. Overall, this product is really well built. It's made out of solid aluminum, as well as just having a little bit of rubber to hold in the actual remote, which is made out of plastic just because it has to have remote signals going in and out of it, as well as a dongle which plugs into the camera via USB micro. The big disadvantage of this setup is that using the dongle, it does obstruct a small portion of the flip out screen on the side of the camera, just because of the way Sony has it on their cameras. If you were using a more compact setup like the RX100, it would be perfect just because that flips over the top and then you're kind of set.
Another neat feature I forgot to mention actually is that it can connect to a phone or any device that has Bluetooth enabled as well. So if you want to connect it to your phone as a simple Bluetooth remote to control stopping and starting recording on your phone or taking a photo, you can do so as well, which is obviously perfect for when you want to take family photos or take video of yourself and you don't want to have to be constantly running back and forth from your camera.
Another pro of this product is the fact that because it is made out of solid aluminum, it is very durable. And in my experience with any other product I've had from Sirui, and I use their fluid heads and monopod for essentially all my professional work, and they've held up really well over time. So I have a lot of confidence in this product's build. And along with that nice design is the fact that it has a proper ball head on the top of it, which is fully articulating. So if you do want to have it in a horizontal axis like this, you can, as well as flip it forward, backwards, whatever way you want. And it's very snug in there as well. So it's not like it's going to slip off, and it holds the weight of the a7S III with a very heavy lens quite easily. So you can be confident in the fact that your camera isn't going to flip over when you put it down or anything silly like that. It also has a 1/4-20 screw thread on the side of it, which allows you to attach on any accessory that you like, such as a little magic arm that you can throw a light onto, or if you want your mic mounted to the tripod itself rather than your camera, you can do that.
That's going to be all for this overview video though. Sirui was kind enough to send me this product free of charge, and they didn't make me have a script or anything for it, and I'm uploading this video without any review from them. But they are going to let me keep this tripod afterwards, though I'm quite excited to use it, especially as a remote, just because often when the camera is out of reach, it's tricky to actually start and stop recording. And this setup allows you to have a very simple remote that has multiple functions with it. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help out in any way that I can. And if you enjoyed the video, maybe consider liking it and subscribing to my channel so I can continue making videos like this in the future. Anyways, thanks again for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.